Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jenny, founder of Planner Perfect, and today I'm gonna really have fun showing you my team of planners and organizational systems I have in place for my meal planning, which keeps me very organized. In case you don't know, I am a homeschooling mom of 8, and I have designed planners and journals and traveler's notebooks that are highly functional, beautiful, and classy, and will keep you very, very organized. There was a lot of thought that came into these with years of knowing what I don't like and what I don't want to come up with this. So, if you guys want to see how I stay organized and see my duo, my dynamic duo for staying organized all year long, then stay tuned. Okay, you guys, this is going to be really fun. I love meal planning, I love cooking, I love baking, I love eating well, I love feeding my family well, and I love taking a lot of time for the necessary vision work and thought process to create meals that my family will love and that are healthy for them. I also have my grandbaby all week, full time, and keeping him well fed and all of that is a priority to me as well. So let me just start by sharing something that I use on the daily, and that is our everyday organized wallet, our everyday wallet. Now, this has a removable strap, and I have other videos on this, so just check below for if you want more details on everything about this wallet. This is the Chanel, and she's absolutely stunning. And I plan on actually moving out into another one here pretty soon, but I'm just enamored and love her. You can easily take off these, and you can just the adjustable leather strap, and just stick the wallet in your purse, just like so. Or you can wear this and you're out the door with everything that you need to be organized. Whichever how you want to do it, the option is yours. It has a snap closure and makes it very easy. You also have a see-through thing for your driver's license, has room for all of your cards, very sturdy, fabric lined, zipper, pocket, and a place in the back for your phone that snaps, that is large, very large, keeps your phone very secure. You snap it shut. When you're out and about and you're on the go as well, you can get your phone in and out when it's around your waist. I mean, you can slip it in, slip it out with ease. One of the things that I wanted especially was to be able to have something where for errands and getting groceries was with me when I'm on the go. And this solved my problem. And so what I have here is errands. And so you can pick your cover, pick your text. I put holiday errands because I'll be running holiday errands all holiday long. And this here prompts you to write your errands down and all of that. This can be used even when you take this out and you don't finish the book. You can use it next year. Just take it out, put it back in your wallet next year, or maybe you'll be really running some serious errands and you can run it and do it all, or you don't even have to use a seasonal cover. So it's entirely up to you, since everything is customizable. So when I go and do mine, I have where I am, will write out, what I'm needing, and then I'll put a date in the new errand list, what store, go by store, that kind of thing. And then the holiday meals. I used the vintage Santa print. I really wanted him. And how I do this is that I sit down on a Sunday night, and I'm going to show you how I coincide my menu planner with this. So I work in the menu planner first, and then I script in this. So here is my Monday through Sunday meal planning, and then my shopping list. And it goes on to the next page even in case you've got lots to do. And then it starts again with your next week's grocery list. Now what I love too is I just put this right in my cart like this, and it basically stays open and I can get all of my shopping done. And by following my list, it's really beautiful. This is one of the most handy tools I've ever created and have ever seen on the market. For my menu planner, this has just proven to be absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to show you and flip you around for this. I do have other videos on this as well. But for this, I have some... this is in my Everyday Organized. I have it all set up for Christmas. And I even have some pictures here that I have ready to stick in for my recipes and things like that. So right now I'm going to flip you around. I'm going to show you how I stay organized using my meal planner system. So hold tight. Okay, so here's she be. I'm all ready for December. I've got all of this. Here is where I keep some of my my favorite different, these are from my photo printer that I can actually just take the sticker back off and stick into my planner for my recipe books. And I'm getting ready to use this one, which is my holiday recipes. And this will be just for Christmas. I already have started some back here for desserts, our favorite desserts from all of fall. I started through fall. And what a hand-me-down this will be. I already have another video on this, so I won't take too much time, but this has just been a beautiful way to script down all of your favorite recipes and have a go-to place for all of your favorite recipes that you can hand down to your children, give as gifts. It is such a beautiful way to write down treasured memories. So this is how it comes, where you have your recipe and then the blank page for you to journal it out and put your pictures of loved ones helping you create that recipe or memories that surround that recipe. So in my December, this is a 12-month calendar, and how I designed it is that it has my December, and I wrote down all of my meals that I want to have all December long. I took all of it out of my brain, thought about it. Why do I want it to run and look, considering Christmas, considering everything that goes on certain days during the month, and I wrote it all out. And where did I get all the brain dumping of meals? Here. So in the next 2 pages are the 1 month of meals, where I wrote down all of the meals that my children like, that I love, whole food, plant-based, all these different things. And then I took from this and I sprinkled it all in here. And what's just great about this is that I can go to this and say, oh yeah, I remember I really liked this one. Or if one didn't hit the meal plan, I can swap out, or maybe put some breakfast ideas over here, lunch ideas here, different things like that. Also, then on the next 2 pages are my baking days. So my baking days for the month of December, I have week 1. So that's this week. And this is all that I want to do. I left week 2 blank because I am doing more vegan baking this week. And I'm going to see how well it's received by the kids. So I'm going to do this. Maybe some I will just change out for whole wheat. Do things like that, which will keep me organized in the kitchen and feeding them well. And then, so week 2 will be based on how well received this was, if I can repeat some of these. So I need to go through this week first to know, so I left that blank. Week 3 is the week before Christmas, and some of these things I'm going to want to bake, knowing what the menu is, what I want to have on hand. This is what I'm going to make to be organized for the week of Christmas. And then this is the week of Christmas, where I'll have all of our cookies. No use having so many sweets all Christmas long. I want to keep it and confine it to the week of. So this is what will be fa-la-la-la-lying in the kitchen, full of our favorites, full of them. And then this is what I'll be putting also, spending time putting in here, taking lots of pictures of us baking as well, and then putting those favorite cookie recipes in here, our biscotti, our truffles, our peppermint bark, all of that with all of the pictures. Those will go in here to be treasured, so we can pull it out each year. So I am set for a whole month of meals, girls, with everything that I need to make these meals. I also know where to get the recipes from. A lot of them are something that I already have been making and know how to make. You can use these note sections so that you know which cookbook to get them out of, or which, so use these notes section for knowing and noting. You could even probably put it in the calendar square here of where you're getting your recipe and whatnot. So I also love to stick to certain, so like Sundays are spaghetti, and tacos, and Mexican on Tuesdays, or soups on Mondays. I kind of kept that theme. Fridays, pizza. Saturdays, more where you're doing more roasty type of things. So that is how I did it. And it really, crock pot meals on Wednesdays. I have a cleaning lady that comes on Wednesday, and so she's here all day. And so that's just really proven to be amazing, because she occupies my kitchen and she's in the house in my space, so I need to have that in a crock pot, and it's just, I've been doing that and it's been amazing. So I plan out crock pot meals on Wednesday. So those are just some tips and ideas that I've done that have worked and proven to be amazing, so you don't have to think of and create all these different meals all of the time. Do your family favorites and stick them into, each day have a theme to it, and there you go, and make them healthy. Just making them healthy. We're starting now to be healthy, not January 1st. We always have really eaten well, but I'm really going to bring it home even more, pulling out as much processed as I can. I have 2 sons that are older that have left the roost, and so they usually keep and want more junk in the house, at least one of the 2. This will help having them out, because I can have more control on what's exactly in my fridge and pantry. So I'm set and I'm ready. I've got the menu planner and I have the wallet, which is absolutely, these 2 are complete dynamic duos that keep me completely organized with my meals, my outings. They're functional and they're classy. Hey, thanks for joining me again for another video. Everything you'll need to grab these for yourself is just in the link below. Till next time, girls.